The collaborative whiteboard is your most powerful teaching tool. Let's join a session and master all its features. Joining a session to demonstrate the whiteboard tools. Accepting the recording consent to enter the session. Checking the consent box. Entering the session room. The session room is loading. The whiteboard uses Excalidraw, a professional diagramming tool trusted by educators. Switching to whiteboard view to see all the drawing tools. The whiteboard is now visible with the full toolbar. The toolbar provides access to all drawing tools. Let me walk you through each one. Shape tools include rectangles, diamonds, and ellipses, perfect for diagrams and flowcharts. Selecting the rectangle tool to draw a shape. With rectangle selected, you can click and drag on the canvas to create boxes for diagrams. The freehand drawing tool lets you sketch naturally, like writing on a real whiteboard. Great for mathematical equations, quick diagrams, and handwritten explanations. The text tool adds typed text anywhere on the canvas. Use it for labels and definitions. Selecting the text tool for adding labels. Arrows show direction, flow, and relationships between concepts. Selecting the arrow tool for connecting ideas. Use different colors strategically. Red for important points, blue for examples, green for correct answers. The eraser tool corrects mistakes. You can also use undo with Ctrl-Z. Selecting the eraser tool. Pro tip: prepare common diagrams before sessions and save them as images to import quickly. That covers the whiteboard tools. Let me end this demonstration session. Ending the session. Confirming session end. Your whiteboard content is saved with the recording for student review.